In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pipeline in Go High Level. This process is simple, quick, and essential for organizing your sales processes effectively. To begin with, open your preferred web browser. You're going to type Go High Level into the search bar. This will bring up a list of results, but you should look for and select the official website, which is www.gohighlevel.com. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be directed to their homepage. Now that you're on the Go High Level site, you'll need to log in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, simply enter your credentials, your email and password, and click the Login button. This will take you into the Go High Level dashboard where all the magic happens. Inside the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll be looking for the section called Opportunities. Once you've found it, click on it. The Opportunities section is a powerful feature within Go High Level that helps you track and manage leads, deals, or any other process you're working with. Within Opportunities, you'll find a link labeled Pipelines. Go ahead and click it to proceed. Once you're in the Pipeline section, you'll be greeted with the option to create a new pipeline. Look for the button labeled Create New Pipeline and click it. This feature allows you to set up various processes that align with your business goals, whether that's managing leads, handling customer inquiries, or any other workflow you need to track. After clicking the button to create a new pipeline, you'll be prompted to give it a name. Choose a name that clearly describes the pipeline's purpose. Something like New Leads or Service Sales will do the trick. Doing this ensures that you and your team can easily recognize what the pipeline is meant for at a glance. Next, you'll need to define the different stages of your pipeline. To do this, click on Add Stage. This is your opportunity to plot out the journey, stage by stage, that your leads or processes will follow. Typical stage names might be New Inquiry, Contacted, Proposal Sent, or Deal 1. You can also use the arrows provided to reorder these stages, making sure they reflect the real journey or process you're aiming to design. Finally, it's time to save your work. Ensure that everything looks the way you want it to, and all stages are correct and in the intended order. Once satisfied, don't forget to save your pipeline. This step ensures that your carefully crafted process is not lost and is ready to be used by you and your team. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new pipeline in Go High Level. This tool will help streamline your processes and improve your workflow efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.